Alright, Luke, it's recording. Alright. Airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. Do you wish right now?
Wait, you forgot to do your interview. I had an introduction. This is a middle finger world. It's called middle finger world. And then you just act middle fingers and you're like,
Alright, Jose.
Well, what if you call it the name middle finger world? You just go around the streets saying your middle finger.
Jose. Alright, come on. Alright,
You're on against the master.
alright.
yeah, right, Jose.
Alright, we're gonna have a burping contest.
What makes me pass out?
Maybe.
So I won't be able to finish.
The only time you can possibly pass out is if I fart, if I eat eggs and then I fart.
Hold up. Warning, I might not be able to finish this film.
Probably not. Alright, Jose, leave the cards alone. Alright.
Maybe I'm tired because of this one right now. And the warning is hitting.
It's supposed to be long and really deep.
The warning is coming.
Alright.
Move. Are you sure I should be? Are you sure I should be recording this, or you should just get an automatic camera? Go with automatic.
Sorry.
No.
You look at face.
Shut up. Don't tell the world, Jose. Don't tell the world.
Thank you.
What the? Oh.
Boo! Second round goes to me.
See, look. Oh wait, that's in the automatic one.
Alright.
Ooh, I know.
Third round goes to me. Alright. You can start now.
No.
My brother.
The warning came.
Get a good look at yourself.
Alright. First round goes to me. I got 3 wins, he only has 1.
Don't pass it on to me.
Fifth round.
So he's the winner. Now, show us your final burp.
No.
Do your final burp.
Stop.
No, I'm
Stop.
out. You gotta do yours.
Alright. This is my victory burp.
You should still be dancing.
Then keep burping.
It should have been on Gangnam Style so you could do that.
Alright. Wanna have another contest?
No.
A staring contest.
No.
Wanna have a staring contest?
No.
Are you sure you don't wanna have a staring contest?
Yes.
There are no rules.
I'm in.
Alright.
I knew it.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Now. We're good to come.
You win!
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Luis did a blink.
No.
Alright, Luis.